We humans have always been fascinated by time. We measure its passage, we celebrate its milestones, but we also dream of controlling it. Imagine traveling through time. You could witness historical events firsthand. You could meet your heroes or prevent tragedies. The possibilities are endless. Time travel is a staple of science fiction, but is it really possible? Could we one day build a machine that allows us to visit the past or the future? Let's explore the concept of time travel and its potential implications. Throughout history, people have imagined ways to manipulate time. Ancient myths told of gods and heroes who could control the flow of time. Today, time travel remains a popular theme in literature, film, and television. The idea of time travel captures our imaginations. It allows us to explore the unknown, rewrite the past, and glimpse the future. But beyond its entertainment value, time travel raises profound questions about the nature of time itself and our place in the cosmos. To understand time travel, we must first understand time itself. Physics tells us that time is a dimension, like space. We move through time just as we move through space. But what if we could move through time at different speeds, or even reverse its direction? Albert Einstein's theory of relativity suggests that time travel might be possible. According to Einstein, time is relative. It means that time can pass at different rates for observers who are moving relative to each other. This effect is called time dilation. One of the most famous examples of time dilation is the twin paradox. Imagine two twins. One twin stays on Earth while the other travels into space at a very high speed. When the traveling twin returns to Earth, they will have aged less than the twin who stayed behind. This is because time slows down at high speed. So, in a sense, the traveling twin has traveled into the future. However, this type of time travel is only one way. It allows us to travel into the future, but not back to the past. Time travel has been a popular theme in science fiction for centuries. From H.G. Wells's The Time Machine to the Back to the Future franchise, time travel stories have captured our imaginations. These stories often explore the paradoxes and ethical dilemmas of time travel. One of the most famous time travel paradoxes is the grandfather paradox. What would happen if you went back in time and killed your own grandfather? Would you cease to exist? And if you didn't exist, who killed your grandfather? These paradoxes highlight the potential dangers of time travel. They suggest that altering the past, even in a small way, could have unforeseen and potentially disastrous consequences for the future. Despite these paradoxes, time travel remains a fascinating and thought-provoking concept. It allows us to explore the boundaries of our understanding of time and the universe. While time travel is a staple of science fiction, it is still considered highly theoretical by most scientists. However, some theories suggest that time travel might be possible, at least in principle. One such theory involves wormholes. Wormholes are theoretical tunnels that connect two different points in space-time. If wormholes exist, they could potentially allow us to travel vast distances in space or even backward in time. However, even if wormholes do exist, there is no guarantee that we could create or control them. They might be incredibly unstable, collapsing before we could travel through them. Another theory that could potentially allow for time travel is the concept of closed time-like curves. These are theoretical paths through space-time that loop back on themselves, allowing an object to travel back in time and potentially interact with its past self. However, the existence of closed time-like curves remains highly speculative.